The next divine name is Aliy, which means the Most High. This means that the divine essence and attributes of Allah, the Exalted, are infinitely high and beyond the reach and comprehension of the entire creation. The one who understands this divine name will only obey Allah, the Exalted, as nothing has a higher authority, power or control than Him. A Muslim must act on this divine name by raising their aims and aspirations, so they go beyond this material world and are instead directed towards the hereafter. Higher still is the aspiration which is fully focused on Allah, the Exalted, and nothing else. A Muslim should also act on this divine name by raising their moral character, so that they surpass bad and base character, thereby following in the footsteps of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 68 Al-Kalam, verse 4.
And indeed you are of a great moral character.
This noble character should be shown both to Allah, the Exalted, through sincere obedience to Him, which involves fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience, and it must be shown to people by treating them how one desires to be treated by people. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.